What's your take on the number 69?
It's a posture in Kama Sutra.
2 दिन पहले मतलब पता चला मेरे को.
Do you think the virginity of a girl matters while getting married in India?
No.
Chauvinism, male chauvinism.
Do you think size matters?
Size? Well, no, I don't want to share it. I don't want.
What's your take on relationships these days?
See, nothing like relationships exist in this era of 2017.
Friendships.
बस होते हैं, कुछ भी हो जाता है. मतलब 2 महीने, कभी कभी होता है साल भर चल रहे हैं, वरना 2 महीने में ब्रेकअप.
They mean it for 2 days and they promise for the whole lifetime.
Overrated.
Same friendship and
Relationships are getting more complicated because girls are demanding more from boys.
Love or arranged setup?
Love marriage.
Love marriage.
Both are good, but depends. Love marriage can go wrong, and so can arranged marriage, and vice versa.
love arrange.
Arranged marriage.
वो दोनों.
Love.
Depends on you.
Love marriages aren't some type of contracts that can be arranged or something. It should only happen with mutual consent of 2 people and not because their families are forcing them to do so or something. Yeah, that's what I feel.
I would pick love marriage rather than arrange.
Ever peed in a swimming pool?
No, never.
Nope.
Never.
No. Yes.
Nope.
Never. Never.
Yeah.
No.
No.
I also know.
Friends with benefits, yes or no?
No.
बिल्कुल. No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Sure.
Sure. Never.
Yes.
Yes.
Casual relationships, yes or no?
No.
No.
Yes.
No. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Sometimes.
What's your take on one night stand?
No.
Depends on person. If you are comfortable for one night stand, so it's okay. If you are not comfortable, so it's not okay.
No.
Not at all. No.
Never been that lucky.
I don't really know about it. I feel such things should be taken seriously since it might not matter to one person, but it might affect deeply to the other person. So yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Never.
No.
Do you think porn should be banned?
No.
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 Yes. Yes.
No. Big no. Big no. Big F.
No.
Not at all.
No, I don't think so. Since it doesn't really harm people and it's nothing bad if someone is watching it. It's okay.
No.
Yes.
No.
In case you wake up one morning and found your sex changed, what will be your reaction?
Well, I'll go for a night out since in our society girls are discouraged to do such things. But I'll surely have fun. If I were a boy, I would have I'd have chilled out.
What?
मरना है फिर तो और क्या बचा?
मैं कूद जाऊंगी नीचे फिर हाथ पैर तोड़वा लूंगी.
Comfortable. No problem.
Your favorite porn star?
मैं कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक नहीं देखता.
Kimi Granger.
Demi Lovato. Denny Daniels. Don't have.
Lizanne.
Lizanne.
Mia Khalifa.
Not as any favorite. Everyone is good.
Jasmine James. Jaden James.
Do you think size matters?
Size? Well, no, I don't want to share it. I don't want to really speak about it.
If you are in real love, so it doesn't matter. If you are only for sex and fake relationships, so matter.
Size in what sense?
In the sense of your physique?
I really am not aware of that. I believe so. No.
Yes.
Of course.
How can I know? Yeah. How will I comment on size, yeah?
Are they come on the boob size or the butt size? Size matters?
Yes. Sure.
I hope you're clear with the term size. I mean, what kind of size I'm asking about?
Yeah. It depends on person to person actually, more than anything.
No. Exactly. Skill does matter.
Then
Size matters.
For somebody.
size matters.
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Size versus stamina.
You can look at me size.
Stamina.
Science.
Size versus stamina.
Size. Obviously, man.
I mean, who wrote such questions?
Stamina.
Size, stamina.
Both are equal.
Stamina.
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 What's your take on the number 69?
It's a posture in Kama Sutra.
2 दिन पहले मतलब पता चला मेरे को.
Sixth position.
C.
Sixth position.
Numerical figure.
I don't know. 69. No. What should I say, man?
You have to do it when your partner is not happy.
Kim Kardashian or Sunny Leon?
None.
Kim.
Sunny Leon.
Tough question. Sunny Leon.
Sunny Leon. Both are not.
Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian.
Sunny. Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian.
Sunny Leone, my favorite.
The first thing that you notice in a girl?
Back.
Eyes.
Physique.
Eyes.
Depends.
ये आगे से आ रही है या पीछे से जा रही है? The first thing that you notice in a guy?
Body.
Face. His looks.
Do you think what do girls do when they are alone?
नाचती है.
Maybe masturbate.
Drink.
Gossip.
Do you think masturbation is good for health?
Yeah. 2-3 times a week, maybe. Not more than that.
Early morning sex or late night sex?
Both.
What's your take on sex? Before marriage, after marriage?
Depends.
Before marriage.
It depends on the relationship.
Depending upon the choices of the individual.
After marriage.
That's the demand of the situation.
Do you think the virginity of a girl matters while getting married in India?
No.
Chauvinism. Male chauvinism. Definitely.
Hypocrisy.
I don't agree to such bullshits.
So you'll mind having a non-virgin wife?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
In India, it matters a lot.
Mentality of people you can't change in a day.
In India, especially.
No.
It's no. You'll have a non-virgin wife. I mean, it's okay for you. Take on homosexuality. Do you think they should be given the right to come up with their views? You know, they should vocalize their opinion.
Yes, they should.
Yeah, exactly. Because they're also humans either way. So it is more of a biological thing than anything else. So you cannot just force anyone to be or to not be what they are.
What do you think is lacking behind in our society? Why don't they vocalize what they feel?
What's lacking in our society, that is mindset, thinking.
Do you think there's one specific age of losing one's virginity?
No. It's just you're too immature, then it might be a problem. But apart from that should not be a problem.
Yes, it has to be.
Who's one ideal woman for you?
My mother.
My sister.
My sister.
I guess my mother. My sister.
Ever thought of threesome?
Yes.
The dirtiest dream that you ever saw?
Threesome. 2 girls, 1 guy.
Sex on the mountain.
What about the other things like you've heard of Eve teasing, dowry? What's your take on that?
Dowry should be banned. Eve teasing cannot be eradicated all at once, so it can be reduced. Others will have to raise voice against them when they witness it.